Welcome to our science lesson. Today in our lesson we are going to see about exercise versus oxygen debt. Let's start with what is meant by oxygen debt. The amount of oxygen required to remove the lactic acid and replace the body's reserves of oxygen is called oxygen debt. When someone who has been exercising pays back on oxygen debt, it can take from a few hours for normal exercise to several days after a marathon. Next, we move on to see how this oxygen debt happens. So, for example, we take a man who is doing a exercise. When he doing an exercise, his muscle starts to contract. In order to contract the muscles, he required a lot of energy, so he needs to start respirating. And also the need of oxygen increases. So to fulfill the need of oxygen, the rate of respiration and the volume of respiratory rate increases, and also the heart rate will be increased to pump the blood to other parts of the body. But the energy produced by the aerobic respiration will not be enough, so our body starts to do the anaerobic respiration to fulfill the need of energy. Once our body started doing the anaerobic respiration, it produces the lactic acid, which builds up in our body or tissue. So body should get rid of a lactic acid from it, as they cannot tolerate more lactic acid. So more lactic acid builds in the tissue means requires more oxygen. So this is where the oxygen debt happens. How to get rid of oxygen debt? To get rid of the oxygen debt, blood carries the lactic acid from muscles to liver. So the liver oxidize the lactic acid and convert them into glucose. Later, this glucose will be stored in the muscle and the liver as glycogen. So this is how the oxygen debt will be rectified. So hope you had understood my lesson. Thank you.